After being a full-time entrepreneur for about 4 years now, the number one regret that I have is not making a YouTube channel sooner, and I'm about to tell you why. Hey, what's going on, guys? It is your favorite stay-at-home millionaire here, Sierra Nicole, and we are back with another video. As you guys know, my channel is all about business, finance, and entrepreneurship. So if that sounds like your jam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more content. All right, so YouTube, what is the big deal? Well, when I started my entrepreneurial journey about 4 years ago, I was heavily focused on other platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and then moving on to TikTok. And I did have a YouTube channel, but I honestly did not start taking it seriously until about 2020. And it is honestly one of the biggest regrets because the amount of potential as a content creator and an entrepreneur that there is on YouTube is unmatched. And so today I want to go over some reasons why you should be starting a YouTube channel right now, especially if you are a current content creator, entrepreneur, or you have some type of product or service that you sell within your business. You are leaving a ton of money on the table. So let's go ahead and dive into the 4 reasons why you need to start a YouTube channel today. Reason number 1 is evergreen content. The content lasts forever. Yes, forever. Let's just put this in perspective a little bit. When you go to TikTok or Instagram and you post a short video that everybody loves, even when it gets tons and tons of views, after a few days, those views are going to die down a bit. Why? Because the life of the content is very, very short on these other social media platforms. Now, YouTube is amazing because your content is going to have a much longer lifespan. I have videos from 2 years ago that people are still viewing today. And that is because the way that the YouTube algorithm works, which we'll touch on here in a second, but the way that the YouTube algorithm works, someone can search a topic and a video from years ago can pop up and you can still make money and be monetized, or even just using that to grow your brand recognition and your fan base. So YouTube and its evergreen content is honestly undefeated at this point. Reason number 2 why you need to be starting a YouTube channel today is because of the discoverability. So YouTube is the number 2 search engine in the world, and guess who's number 1? Google. And guess who owns YouTube? You guessed it, Google. That means that YouTube has an amazing SEO, which is search engine optimization feature that is a part of its native platform. When you are looking up something like how to start a business, 9 times out of 10, you're probably going to go to Google and type in how to start a business. Now, when you go and search that question, not only do articles and websites pop up, but there's also a chance that YouTube videos are going to pop up from creators on YouTube making informational or educational videos about that topic. Also, the next platform that you'll probably go to is going to be YouTube to search the question how to start a business. And then a ton of videos, probably hundreds or even thousands of videos answering your question is going to pop up. Now, the same way that you search these questions and you search for information and you find other videos from other creators, there can be people searching for information that you have the knowledge and you have the answer, and your videos could be popping up in their search results. And guess how much money that costs you to get in front of that brand new audience? $0. It costs you $0 to do that. And so that is why YouTube has one of the most amazing searchability and discoverability features of any social media platform that is out there right now. TikTok definitely is coming up pretty close, but I'll do another video talking specifically about the benefits of having a booming TikTok page. But let's get back on topic with talking about YouTube and why you need to start a channel today. Reason number 3, it is hands down, from my experience, the best paying platform for content creators. Now, there are many other programs that these social media platforms are coming out with. I know that Pinterest just dropped their new program for paying creators. Instagram and Facebook, or Meta, has a program that pays creators as well. But hands down, YouTube is the highest paying platform for creators. If you're wondering how YouTube creators even get paid, this is just a really quick breakdown. So basically, companies will pay Google to put their advertisements in front of their target audience. And so when you clicked on this video or maybe another video that you just watched on YouTube, there's a good chance that an ad popped up either in the beginning or somewhere in the middle of the video. That company is paying to put their video on that specific piece of content to get in front of a certain target audience. Now, because your video is being used to advertise someone else's company and brand, that brand pays Google, and Google is going to actually split the revenue that is made from that company spending that ad spend to put the ads on there. And so you'll be able to make about half of what the company is paying Google just to put an ad on your video. Now, depending on what topics you talk about and what industry that you're in, the amount of money that is going to be split is going to vary a little bit. It can be anywhere from $3 per 1,000 views all the way up to $50 per 1,000 views. It just depends. But either way, the more views that you get, the more engagement that you get, the more opportunity that there is to not only grow your page, but also grow your income from your YouTube channel. But if you're interested in learning a little bit more about how to get monetized on your YouTube channel, just drop me a comment down below and let me know. But on to the fourth reason why you need to have a YouTube channel is the ability to repurpose content. One of the main issues that a ton of content creators and entrepreneurs come to me about all the time is that they want to be consistent on social media. They want to see their other pages grow, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, but they just don't have time to film content. And believe it or not, having a YouTube channel can really help solve that problem. So with YouTube, there is a larger focus on longer form content. So content that is going to be several minutes long. Now, yes, there are YouTube shorts, but the majority of the content is longer form because that's what people are used to, and that's where they started with the longer videos. The amazing thing about that is if you sit down one day and film 5-10 minute videos, you can take a ton of 30 to 60 second clips from that video highlighting some of the talking points that you talked about and repurpose that and post it on your Instagram, your Facebook, and your TikTok. So now you have had one day of shooting content and you have different videos that you can take from just those few YouTube videos that you filmed, and it's going to save you so much time so that you're not having to sit and think about the reels and the TikToks that you have to create and then post and then go and make a YouTube video. So it makes content creation so much easier when you're able to pull from a longer video. But overall, having a YouTube channel has so many pros and benefits to it, and I tell every content creator, entrepreneur, or business owner that if you are not on YouTube right now, you are leaving a ton of money on the table. And not only that, but you're also missing out on a huge audience that is so hungry for knowledge and information that you have. And it's a great way to get paid to market your business. So hopefully this video has inspired you a little bit today. And I definitely want to hear about your guys' YouTube channels that you've started, or maybe you already have a channel and you're just looking to revamp it because you haven't posted in a while. Definitely let me know about it in the comment section. I am definitely rooting for you. I understand that it is not easy and it is not going to be an overnight process. But just like anything else as business owners, we have to trust the process and fall in love with the journey. But I would bet money that if you start that YouTube channel today and start posting videos consistently, it is not going to be something that you'll end up regretting. But that's all that we have for you for today's video. Make sure if you are someone who is interested in learning about business, finance, and entrepreneurship, tap in with me, hit that notification bell, and make sure you subscribe. And again, this is your favorite stay-at-home millionaire here, Sarah Nicole. I'm going to catch you on the next video.